Good afternoon, everybody. So this is a new chart from StructureTrade.com. We are putting together some videos about why you should let trades come to you. Don't go chasing trades. And this is a pretty good example. Today is March 31st. It is about 4 o'clock on the Eastern Standard Time. And we wanted to talk about today's trades and what we're looking at and why it's very important to not chase trades and not try to go look for trades in a whole different markets. Just three of the whole bunch of trades. There's a couple other markets that we have. The U.S., Swiss, a couple other markets are very important, but we wanted to look at three. These are the daily charts for Euro, New Zealand, and U.S. CAD. And this is what we wanted to talk about, how you don't chase trades and how you kind of run with a pip range. We talk about in some of the training that we do for this is we just kind of look at these big wick areas and we trade in the wicks. There's a couple different strategies for this. A lot of people have done trading wick strategies, but currently we put in a trade right here at the green line. We had it at about 113.72. But one of the things we're doing is we're looking for a stop loss in the 40 pip range, and we just came up to it and almost hit our stop loss. Our stop loss was at 114.2 on this trade, and now we're looking to go back down. So we're in this trade. We're a little bit behind on this one, but we're actually looking to come back down. And the next one is the New Zealand dollar, and this one actually has come very much into our favor. We have our sell in here. We came up into the range, got our sell, and now we are currently standing plus 40 pips on this one, and this is just today. And then on the US CAD, we knew our ranges here, and so if you come in closer and look, we are just about plus 50 pips on this one today. Trades run in and out of the structure, but we really, we actually had this in on this candle really for this sell. But you really want to think about trading, not chasing trades around, trying to find a stop. Find an entry point where you're comfortable at, not where you are chasing this up and down. You could chase this up candle all day long, trying to find a place to stop, but you're never going to get it. So what we did is we found a place where we comfortably entered the trade and stay there. Now here's the issue that most people say, well, you're trading on daily charts a long time. Well, yeah, we actually haven't traded this in a while because it really came up and broke through our structure yesterday. We didn't actually open this up or even put a trade in on it. We did have some structure here, but we actually put this in today hoping for tomorrow's candle to do pretty much about the same, because this is what you're looking at. You're looking for these wick candles. We have long wicks. You know that there were a lot of selling opportunities back into this. So this morning we got in, we put a sell opportunity in up here, and now we're in a good position with a break even on all these trades. So learning to not actually actively trade a chart, but actually passively trade. So you're just going to put in an order and then wait for it to go. We could get stopped out on this. Euro USD looks like it could go higher, but the main issue is we're not actively trading this. We're not sitting at a computer all day long just waiting for this. Was out at the golf course this morning, hit a few golf balls, did some work around the house, came back in and to the office, and this is what you get. So these are just a couple of the trades we have in. They're not very big. I think we have one lot on each of these right now. It's not a lot, but it's enough for us to kind of think about positions and position size, what you want to do. The Euro USD has been so volatile, and we've seen just a complete up candle in the last few days that we're really not sure to put a big lot in on this one. But we really want to try to get smaller lots on these. So we only have one lot in candles for a lot of these. Same thing with the New Zealand, and we have a couple other charts. But so this is an example of just putting trades in the morning, not worrying about where they're going to be, what position is. All these trades are, by the way, except for the Euro USD, are at break even. So we're not going to lose any money. We know we're going to make some money off this. We're waiting for this to hit, hopefully 54 pips. It did earlier, but we actually didn't put come in and put our rules in yet. And then this candle for this one, I believe, is 47 pips. So we're almost there on that one as well to put in our first targets for this. So this is an example of how not to chase trades. Let the trades come to you. Put in your orders where you know that there are going to be room, but don't chase the trades around. So that's it from StructureTrade.com.